For TV3, we're first going to calculate the volume from the top of the plunger all the way over to the reagent valve. We're then going to go back and determine the volume from the top of the plunger all the way to the syringe. Now the difference in those two volumes is going to be the volume of this tube. The volume of this tube is actually our TV3. So to start, I'm going to pull off the tube from the top of my plunger. I've already run the procedure in manual control, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start with the value of 0.6 milliliters and run that. You can see that's not enough, so I'm going to send that back into the reservoir. And I'm going to increment it by 0.1 milliliters. I think that looks pretty good. So we've calculated the first one. In this case, it's 0.7. So we're going to have to write that number down. Send all the fluid back into the reservoir. And this time we're going to go try to send the fluid all the way up to the syringe, but not into it. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now the two numbers that we just calculated, in this case 0.7 and 0.95, we're going to subtract, get the difference, and that's going to be the number that we end up using for our TV3.